Imagine bagging a role in a film via Facebook, wearing an outfit got from flea market while receiving a top acting award, and then all of this while you have not received formal education in acting. It sounds very surreal, but it has happened to someone. That someone is here with us, Anastasia Sengupta. A very warm welcome to NDTV.
Thank you
सबसे
so
पहले
much.
बहुत बहुत बधाई. We're doing
Thank
this
you
for
so
NDTV
much.
Network, so we'll do it in English and Hindi.
Yeah.
How does it feel? I know it's a very obvious question, and I know you've answered it several times. But what was that moment like when your name got announced? You knew
I
this
mean,
big.
you gave me a great word right now. It was surreal. Yeah, for sure. Surreal and just absolutely incredible. It's beyond anything I could have ever imagined, I went, I worked hard and I put my heart and soul into a film and I was ecstatic that it got selected at Cannes, and that's the energy that I went with, and not planning or hoping for anything further as such. I just went to show my film there.
So certain regard category में पहली बार किसी भारतीय ने acting के लिए award जीता और ये this is history, right? And also, I mean, this is you've made history, and also as you also pointed out that you felt surreal. But if you can go into the details of how much was it in your mind that you will be winning it, and then what was the first thing that ran into your mind while that happened?
So it was not in my mind at all.
Okay.
That I would be winning it, but I believed that we've made a good film. I hoped we've made a good film. I also watched it only at Cannes.
Oh, okay.
And सबके साथ देखने के बाद, I was hopeful that the film gets recognized. I didn't think that it would be recognized through this path.
Right.
But it's really a win for the film and for the team. And I'm more than honored that it's through me and it's through my role and the award that then followed.
Right. अब आपकी जो आर्ट है उसकी वजह से आप फेसबुक पर ऑफ कोर्स बहुत ज्यादा फॉलो की जाती थी, एंड देन यू गॉट कॉन्टैक्टेड फॉर दिस फिल्म. That also sounds very strange.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah. So of course एक तरफ आपकी मेहनत है, आपका talent है, but you also think there's luck which has played its own part?
Luck or destiny or some sort of a magic, I think.
So you would credit your art also, which also helped you get this role?
Yes, and I think, on the other side of what is now being seen as my journey, जो मतलब खुद आपकी life को you don't see as a journey, but at this brink I am, and I'm assured that all my experiences, मैंने जो भी किया, art है, production design है, कैलकाटा में थिएटर जो भी है, it is very clear कि सारे चीजें culminate किया है to come to this point, and I feel very blessed that unknowingly also maybe I ended up taking certain paths in my life, whether it's my art, whether it's continuing being in films, no matter what. There was no active motivation, but I think it was my love for cinema, for storytelling, for art in general, that I just had to stay in that world, and I feel that different art forms inform each other, enrich each other. So I think because all art is imagination based, so if you are building and growing your power of imagination with a certain discipline of art, chances are it will contribute to something else that you try.
Right.
And it's something I was just playing with as a thought, and to see that bear fruit and be my hence proved moment, it's amazing.
You must check out her paintings, by the way. And also, of course, thanks for making us proud. But एक conversation साथ में ये भी चल रही है कि पहली बार ऐसा हुआ कि एक actor को इस तरीके का award मिला एक Indian actor को, but it didn't happen for an Indian film. So do we really need to enable our producers, directors, or are we in the right path? Because we produce so many films, but this is the kind of recognition we get, but not for an Indian film. What do you think of that?
Well, we also got it for 2 Indian films, and I feel The Shameless is very much an Indian film. It's an Indian story. The entire cast is Indian. We have an Indian producer. So it's also, for me, it's a beautiful example of breaking borders and boundaries. And it's about storytelling. It's about people from so many different contexts believing in one thing, coming together with love, with hard work, with passion. And I think our film very much bears testimony to the fact. And there was Payal's film,
Yeah.
which is more an Indian film.
But of course, there
we're
also
going
we
on to
have
the
production from like
technicality.
other countries.
Yes, so it's all about coming together. And
Sure.
Chidanand's film, who is an FTI student,
Yeah.
that also got the first prize at the
Yeah, that's a
SNEF.
diploma film. Yeah.
Yes. And so I feel it was a really good year, as the rest of the country is also saying. And it's genuine, it's authentic, what everyone is feeling. And I wouldn't say that should we make more. We are making them.
Okay.
Those are the ones that were there. It's all happening.
Right. Now, हर साल ये भी conversation होती है जब Cannes Film Festival that it's a film festival and fashion की भी बहुत ज़्यादा बात होती है और ऐसे में you were there and you said that the outfit that you were wearing while receiving the award you picked from a flea market there in Cannes. So what is your take on that? Are you okay with it becoming or grabbing headlines because of fashion? I mean, every time there's a lot of noise about that becoming a fashion event as
See,
well.
it's cinema. So glamour is a part of it.
Sure.
It's
a visual medium.
Yes, and it comes together with it. It's also a very fun part of it. So I think तरीके से approach करनी चाहिए, enjoy it for what it is, but recognize that the heart of it is storytelling, cinema from different places in the world coming together. Red carpet, of course, exciting hai. We've grown up seeing so many red carpet moments and felt proud, and it is fun.
Right.
And my flea market dress comment really got picked up, and so it was that one dress that I quickly bought because I took a fancy to it. मुझे shop window में दिखी तो मैंने ले लिया. But
otherwise you had your looks planned.
Of course I did. I wore Rishta by Arjun Saluja, which I'm wearing even today. I wore Bobo Calcutta, designer from Calcutta, on the red carpet. These are designers that it wasn't just about wearing designer wear. I believe in their work. I love their work. I believe in what they stand for. So for me also the glamour, it's exciting. I love it. I love style. I love fashion. But I try to keep my approach wholesome with my heart in it, and work with people that I like, that I respect, that I admire. And then even the fashion game or the glam game, even that elevates is what I found.
Of course, it's nice that you talk about also causes that they stand for, and you put so much of thought into it, and it's amazing that you also dedicated your award to queer community and also the marginalized community.
Yeah, I have a queer nail here as well.
Lovely. Talk about playing the part or promoting your film or your achievement like that. That's amazing, inspiring. But we are living in an era where everything can be interpreted in a different way, and a lot of actors, because they're out there, they're very careful about what they say and what they put out there. What is your take? Was that thing ever in your mind? Because people are very cautious when they talk about any cause or when they're dedicating their award to a certain...
So I feel that this equality is not a cause. It's the bare minimum. It's the bare minimum of decency. And I believe that's what the majority of the world want, actually. We want an equal world. There shouldn't have to be a fight for the queer community. There shouldn't have to be...
I love that line of yours, that they're fighting a fight which they don't have to.
They shouldn't have to fight.
Yeah.
And I understand, of course, why the fight is at large. And they have had to fortify. But पहले से तो है हम equal. We are born equal as human beings. And I believe it. I mean, I might have gone there and said it, but only because I've learned from so many people that I've admired, artists, non-artists, whether it's parents or friends, it doesn't matter. There's actually what people want is equality. It's the only way forward. And so for me, it's not speaking up about a cause. It's just giving a reminder to what we all know anyway.
How sweet. Now, your journey has been amazing. You wanted to pursue your career in journalism. Of course, you did production design, then you did theater, and now you have, of course, grabbed this big award. What next? What next is coming up for Anasuya?
Lots more acting.
Okay.
lots more acting.
Is that gonna be on a global stage or a lot of Indian projects?
Both.
Both.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Why
restrict yourself?
And I mean, I'm all about breaking the boundaries of borders and merging it all up, because I feel it connects all of us up, and we have more in common than we say. We have shockingly more in common. So,
I mean, emotions are universal, true.
Yes.
Yeah.
And humans are made of that.
Right.
So, lots of acting work on a global stage, in India, all of it.
Lovely. In the end, those who are aspiring to be actors and of course don't have any, let's say, formal education in acting, but they still want to crack it, what would you want to tell them? And if you can also include your experience while auditioning for The Shameless.
I would say continue always being true to whatever craft that you want to pursue, and know that it's always, there has to be a lot of work put in, a lot of hard work, and it's consistent work basically, and you have to keep at it. You just have to keep working. For me, it played out in a way that, yes, I did start out wanting to act, but it's not like I was waiting for acting and just doing something else. I was also doing the things that I liked doing, that meant something to me. So as advice, keep working hard, surround yourself with good people, surround yourself with good voices, pick good role models. There's excellent role models everywhere. The best role models are in the most ordinary stories. And believe in yourself, and just don't compromise with who you want to be, no matter what that is.
Who would be your role model?
My role model would be anyone, I mean, okay, you caught me off guard, but since I've spent so many years in the production design department, and we work way, way behind the scenes. So my team actually were my prime role models, my carpenters, my painters, my electricians, my all kinds of the karigars, because these are people, they work not for recognition. They work because they must. They work because they want to do a good job. हर एक चीज में फिनिशिंग चाहिए, वो सेट का टेम्पोररी फर्नीचर ही हो या जो भी है. And they are really my role models. I've learned work ethics from them. I've learned compassion from them. I've learned consideration from them. And be it in acting or in anything for the rest of my life, I think it holds me in great stead. And I'm very, very grateful to them.
आखिरी के 2 सवाल. रेणुका का कैरेक्टर आपने निभाया, उसकी इंस्पिरेशन या उसके जो प्रेपरेशन है वो आपने किस तरीके की और अगर आप अपना प्रोसेस भी बता पाए.
तो प्रोसेस तो जैसे हर एक्टर का मतलब एक फिजिकल पार्ट होती है और मेंटल पार्ट भी होती है. इट्स अ डिफिकल्ट कैरेक्टर, बट अगेन दे आर रियल कैरेक्टर्स. ऐसे बहुत रेणुका है. देयर आर रियल कैरेक्टर्स, दे आर रियल पीपल, एंड इन माय आईज दे आर हीरोज. दे आर unsung heroes, but they are heroes. तो मैंने जब स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी and I read about her, for me, I immediately fell in love with this human being, with this person who has only been a victim of circumstances, but she has hope, she has love, and that's the thing. हर एक चीज black and white नहीं होती है. Mostly it lays in the gray, and the darkest circumstances has the softest heart and soul. So for me, that attracted me to Renuka. In terms of the prep, it was a very taxing role physically. और
तो आपने किसी को ऑब्जर्व कर रही थी कैसे, या स्क्रिप्ट से ही आप इंस्पिरेशन?
स्क्रिप्ट से, and I think I'm a very instinct based person, and I found so is my director Constantine. As you already know, I'm not a trained actor, but I've been in the film world for a long time. I've had the opportunity to observe brilliant actors, other professionals, educate myself, and I prepped to the point that I thought I will even over prep if I have to. I'm not taking any chances. I wanted to make a truthful performance that can move people, not just go and act a part. And whether it's physically, I did a lot of martial arts. I was training pretty tough, running for a couple of months, 2 to 3 kilometers every day, because and my director, I'm so thankful, kind of gave me the liberty to design my character in a certain way, even before the clothes and the style came in. तो मतलब मैंने कैसी दिखनी चाहिए, will she be thin, will she be strong, will she be muscular, will she be lean? So I had that liberty, and I tried to create a woman who is a survivor, who doesn't get the privilege of prioritizing square meals in a day, but at the same time she's powerful, she's dependable, she's reliable. So that was my physical work. Mentally, मतलब अपने में ही रहती है रेणुका, doesn't have a support system unlike my life. So that was also very exciting for me. It's completely different from what I am. So that was a bit of a process to little bit keep to myself, isolate myself a little bit. And again, I have an extremely supportive family and partner, without which you can't pull off something like isolating yourself a bit. And you know, the character had the film, actually, it's you go down to the depths of hell, but there's still so much love.
राइट, सपोर्टिव पार्टनर वाली बात तो हमने भी देखी है, इनके पार्टनर जिनके लिए पानी का गिलास तक रख के गए हैं. सो दैट्स वेरी वेरी काइंड. एंड ऑफ कोर्स आप, बिकॉज बहुत ही स्केड्यूल आपका टाइट हो रहा है और आगे जाके और टाइट होगा, बिकॉज एज यू डू मोर प्रेस. माय लास्ट क्वेश्चन, हर साल ऑफ कोर्स फिल्म फेस्टिवल की बहुत बात होती है, और लेकिन आम जनता को बहुत सारी बातें होंगी जो शायद नहीं पता हो सकती अबाउट दिस फिल्म फेस्टिवल. इज देयर एनीथिंग दैट यू want to tell us that is not often talked about Cannes Film Festival?
I think the cinema basically, and everyone knows, but actually focus वही है कि जो भी हो रहा है इधर, कारपेट है, सेलिब्रिटीज है, but सबका वही फोकस है, that this is a world platform. इतने अच्छे अच्छे पिक्चर आई है from all over the world, and so many are films that we might not get to see otherwise. We would never know that it got made. My film Shameless is a small film made tirelessly by producers from all over the world, with our Indian producer, there's a French producer, Swiss producer. It's a big melting pot, and there are more films like that made in even tougher, more challenging situations. So, and everyone who's there is aware of it. तो ये बात, I don't know, till you're there, शायद समझ में नहीं आते, क्योंकि मुझे नहीं आया था. You know, you think it's the yachts and the glamour, and it's there.
Yeah.
But at the heart is the love for films.
Lovely. Thank you very much.
Thank
and एक
you
बार
so
फिर से
much.
बहुत बहुत बधाई आपको
Thank you
आपकी
so
इस
much.
achievement के लिए. Thanks for making us proud.
Thank you.
Thank you. With camera person Ashwini Mehra, this is Arun Singh signing off for NDTV.